Good morning. I already did a whole intro and then changed my mind. So, welcome to the week of my cruise. It is Monday at 9 a.m. I overslept, but that's fine. We leave Thursday night in the middle of the night. So, I say that. We're leaving at like 5 a.m. on Friday. Didn't get everything on my list done this weekend, but that's fine. Did my nails. My toes are the same color, but y'all are not getting feet pics. So, love this color. Clearly, it's the color of my phone case and my suitcases and my wallet. I'm super pumped to go on this trip. And honestly, whatever we get done this week is what we get done this week. But I want everything to be nice and clean when we come home. I want all of our stuff to be packed by Wednesday, like have everything but the emergency toiletries we're using packed. So let's get around to it and get into our week. One of those things where like I don't even really feel like I know what to do right now. Because like packing wise, there's stuff that I can do for packing Elias's stuff, but I kind of want to do that this evening with Sage so that he knows where things are. And like there's stuff around the house that I need to do. And obviously I'll do it, but I feel overwhelmed and I feel like I'm at like a standstill. So honestly, what I'm going to do is I am going to go and I'm going to watch someone be productive getting ready for their trip for like 20 minutes, maybe 30, while I eat something, drink my Red Bull, and like get kind of ready because I'm in my pajamas. And as awesome as these pajamas are, I don't really think I want to stay in them all day. So we'll see what happens, and I will do my best to keep you all updated. It may or may not be with the microphones, so if the sound quality changes, here's the reason. The little receiver clip for these microphones doesn't fit in through my phone case. So if I don't feel like taking my phone case off and putting it back on, I'm not going to use the microphone. So that's like, if there's funky audio, that's what it is. Welcome back to my messy room. I have a bunch of stuff over here that I need to put away, but I got dressed for the day. I'm just wearing these black sweatpants that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then this, like Valoris book club sweatshirt that's kind of fading, but Sage got it for me for my birthday last year. And then my favorite Bear Paw Black slippers. They're glittery, love them. So I have decided that instead of let's play.
Let's play, Mom.
Okay, I'll be right there. We're gonna go play with Tony's. Little man is still in his pajamas. We're not gonna push the buttons. Okay, we'll see what he does. Careful. Okay. I don't know how all these mommy creators do it. I really just don't know. Hey, that's enough. Hey, play with this. Look, there are buttons right there. I guess this is how they do it. I don't really know. Can you get it to work?
Yes.
Try it. Okay. So I decided instead of doing like packing related stuff right now, because that just feels all consuming and overwhelming, especially when I have some stuff to deal with for clients, which I'll do when he naps. And I'm just gonna do like household stuff for now. So I just picked up some of the stuff on the floor in our room, started a load of laundry, and now I'm gonna hang our massive pile of hanging clothes up. Because for some reason, I hate doing hanging clothes more than I hate folding and putting things away. So I have put it off for like 6 loads now. So we're just gonna do that. little while later. Elias is resting. I just did the rest of the folding clothes because I kind of bumped it into like 2 separate things. I talked to Sage on his lunch break because we FaceTime every day on his lunch. And now I'm pulling up a vlog, and I had a DoorDash credit, like coupon gift card thing. So I ordered some lunch because I'm starving, but I'm not going out. And we didn't have anything like easy for lunch that I didn't want to save for Sage to have with me. If that makes sense. Sorry, it's so shaky. I'm holding it instead of using my stabilizer. But that's just kind of where we're at. I'm popping on a video, gonna eat lunch when it gets here. I got these pants from Target a little while back, and any of you short girls know, they're not for short girls. They're like this much too long for me. So I got some hem adhesive for dark fabrics, which I haven't done hem tape in like a really long time, but I don't remember it being like that difficult. It's easier than sewing a knit fabric, so. Good morning. It is Wednesday. We leave on Friday. It is 6:30 in the morning. Sage just left for work. Clearly, I'm still in bed. I decided to go ahead and watch episode 10 of The Summer I Turned Pretty. So we're going to go ahead and do that really quick. Well, over the next hour-ish. Yeah, hour and 11 minutes. And then I'll get started with my day. Okay, guys, it's the next day. It's Wednesday. We leave Friday morning, so it's kind of crunch time. You can see Elias's suitcase here. I just finished our packing video, so this baby is packed to the brim, and I'm not mad about it. So what I'm going to do next, I think, film a TikTok where I pack my backpack and my tote bag, because I need to repack them. Content over on that channel, social media outlet, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to move this off the bed. After that, I'm going to clean. I have to clean up the kitchen because I did not clean up after dinner last night. And then we're going to go to the car wash because that's our daily outing. Might get like a Sprite while I'm out. And I get to self-tan today, so I'm excited about that. Okay, you can see behind me, they're packed, so those videos are done. I did what's in my embarkation day bag, I did what's in my overnight bag for a pre-cruise stay, and then I also did a what is in my cruise medicine bag. Now, I am packing Elias's little diaper bag. You never have too many wipes. The way I will always pack this stuff is extra clothes on the bottom, because now for us it's very rare that he needs the extra clothes. Still like to have them, but it's very rare, so they go on the very bottom, and then I pack all the diapers on top and socks for him. This is a very small diaper bag, but the diapers fit. Maybe the wipes will fit, we'll see. Let's see if it zips. And I go way overboard on the amount of diapers that I pack in his diaper bag, just because you never know, and I don't want to have to be digging through the big suitcases if I don't have to be. There is his diaper bag, all packed and ready to go. See the disaster that is our room now. We've got these little cruise luggage tag holders. My mother-in-law got them for us. And Disney Cruise Line provides printed tags for you. So you get 2 per person per seat room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and you just like unzip it, it's like a little Ziploc thing. Slide it right in. Close the Ziploc. And then it comes with these little, they're like heavy duty. These little like hook things. For lack of a better word, they're like hook things. Oh, that has something on it. There we go. So then you just twist it on, just like this. So, just onto what one. We're cuddling in bed. Say hi. Hi. And we are watching Kyle Palo's vlog from today. He is actually going to be on our sailing, which is really cool. Very excited for our cruise. Love watching vlogs to count down to vacation.
So the backpack, I have each. He's, like, for the most part, can tell us when he needs to go to the bathroom. So not really ways, but there's economical ways to do it without taking up a bunch of space in the closet by getting a bulk box. So this pack is going in his little diaper bag for the car, and then we've got 2 packs of wipes for on the ship, and I'm just gonna separate them.